How to Read Informational Texts, Part 3. Words, words, words. Now it's time to dig into all of those words. Back to our subheading. Our heading. Right. Section 3, Phases, Eclipses, and Tides. Now, when I'm going through all of these words, there are certain signals that are meant to wake up my attention. So I might be reading along a chunk like this right here, and I come across all this bolded text. Now, if this text shows up in bold-faced type, that means, wake up, reader. Pay attention to this. Earth to reader. If you do not learn the idea contained in this bold text, you might not be able to understand whatever comes next. Bars. Also, other ways that the type might change the look of the text. Italics. In this book here, in this italic type, that's when the writer is writing like they're talking straight to us. Would Earth ever appear to set below the horizon for someone standing next to the flag on the moon? Explain. It's like they're talking right to us, so they change the way the text itself looks. Looks. Now, if I'm reading along and I see a single word in bold, that is a key term. That means that term is key to understanding the concepts in that particular section. It also means, if it's just a single word in bold, that I can look up the meaning of that in a wonderful section in the back of a textbook like this called the glossary. I really like this glossary because it's written in, it's bilingual. Es bilingüe. It's written in two languages, en dos idiomas, English and Spanish, en inglés y también en español. Now, let's see. That key term from page 21, phases. I want to find that specific term in the glossary. Another way to think of a glossary is like a miniature dictionary that is for just the informational text you're learning from. So here it is, the key term from page 21, phase. One of the different apparent shapes of the moon as seen from Earth. And then we have the Spanish translation here. Now, long after, or at least outside of my reading of that chapter or that section, whatever, let's say I am trying to remember so that I can make a point in class or write something for a paper, and I have a very specific question about a very specific piece of information in the book I read, but I can't remember exactly what it was. I'm in luck, because in the back of a textbook like this, there is a magical section known as the index. Now, in the index, I know I need to find something. I need to find the name for the shape of the moon I saw in the sky last night. So let's see. I can remember the word moon, so let's see if I get any guidance under moon. Moon. Earth's moon. Well, that's the moon I'm looking for. Down here, characteristics, craters on landings on missions. Phases of, and I see a bold number. That means that was the bolded term I was looking for. So, I want to figure out the name of that phase I saw in the sky last night. back to page 21 I go. This has been How to Read Informational Texts, Part 3. Words, words, words.